Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this VASTFIRE super bright head light, but it's for your head. It's not for a car. Headlamp, spelunker's lamp, something like that. All right, check this thing out. Look at the. It's got 4 LEDs on there. This is Zoomable or whatever. So if you're into spelunking or going just out riding your bike at night, this is crazy bright. So this is nice elastic head straps. These are adjustable, so you can make them as big as you want. It's got these little loops on here that hold that wire on there. The battery pack is 3 of these. I think they're 1850 mega amp hours or something like that. And then we have a charging port here on front where we can charge the batteries and also charge your phone with this. All right, we'll get into more of that in just a second. So it comes with more of those clips. So these clips are like the ones already on here holding the wire here. It just goes on your little headband, and this can clip on there, so that's not flapping around. It comes with this little USB to USB charger. And then also, if you want to charge it in your car, it comes with this nice little plug-in. It has 2 USB. It looks like those blue ones are those 3.0 for batteries. Anyways, let's get into this flashlight here. Yeah, so this on the back has this button here, and that's going to flash, and it tells you your power display. So we got 4 bars here, and this flashes. So if you could use this to ride a bike or something. And that's just going to make you visible from behind so people aren't going to run over you. Okay, and then here's what we're looking at right here. This one for this battery, the flashlight here, just push on the top there. And it has this, it throws out this wide circular beam. And then it starts out in the brightest, and then it has like dimmer, dimmer, and then like does a, so there, less, and then it has like a flashing light there. Looks like it's SOS, I think. And this is also, you can focus this. So it goes into like a crazy bright beam there. I mean, yeah, it's really bright. It's really bright. I don't want to, I can feel the heat from it from here. It's like, my face. But anyways, we're gonna go outside and check this out. Well, what's cool too is this is adjustable to however you want it to set up on your head. So it just goes on there right like that. All right, it's nice and comfortable. Doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere, even though it's like decently heavy. It's not super heavy, but it has like this. These things are really comfortable, and this is. It just feels not like I'm really wearing anything. Okay, so like I said, this thing can be adjusted on the front here. So if you want to tilt it down to see in front of you better, or out in front of you, or up a little higher, that's like fully adjustable there. So it's just going to go where you want to see it to. So that's really nice. So let's go outside and check out how bright this thing is. Okay, one thing I forgot real quick is that it also has this port here. You can charge up your phone with it. So got this one right here in the back, and just plug that into the USB-A one. Got my Android phone right here. Plug it in, charging up right like that. So super cool. One thing I just want to tell you guys real quick is that when you get this, the batteries are going to have a plastic cover on them. So the batteries will be in there, but the plastic will be covering the leads on the batteries, so they're not going to be touching, making a metal connection there. So those got to be removed, and then you can, it should everything work just fine. So that being said, now we're going to go out and test it out outside. Okay, friends, so here we go. I'm in the backyard here, and I'm on my side yard, and this is like super focused right there, and it shines a lot of light, like really far with this. And let's see if I can focus it up on the trees up in the air over there. So there's a tree up there. It's like putting a window on stuff, but there's over there too. So it throws a beam pretty good out there, but really impressed with just how much light this thing actually puts out like this. So this is the highest amount of light. And you can see my backyard right here is really lights up the whole thing. And if I don't have it on, let's see, there it is like that, turn it on. And just kind of, that's on the widest angle. And now if I want to just narrow it down a little bit, you can see it really focuses that beam. So if I ride my bike or something, just put that right down on the road in front of me, probably bring it out full zoom, and then I can just see like everything around me. Not going to run over anything, not going to be any surprises. So I'm going to take it out in the street and show you guys what it looks like out there. Okay, so here I'm out on the road here, and that's what it's looking like just out in the, just shining across the whole street right here. And then if I want to focus it on like the trees over there, pretty far away, I can. So as you can see, and then fully extended out, you can see if you're riding your bike here, everything is like completely illuminated. If you're in like in a cave or whatever and doing that, you're going to be able to see really well. There's a way across the street there, and then I can just focus it down even more if I want to. You can see that's really good all the way down the road there. Okay, my friends, well, I think that's about it for this video. A super great light, really comfortable on the head too, not like it's in my way or anything like that, and I can see really well. So thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.